So here we need to rationalize this because we have a surd at the bottom, so at the denominator, and we need to rewrite this into this format. Now we have a squared 180 over there, and it's a big number, and it can certainly be broken down. So squared 180 can be broken down into a square number. We can think of 9. 9 times 20 gives us 180. However, the 20 can be broken down further because 4 times 5 gives us 20, and 4 is a square number. So what this means is we have squared 9 times squared 4 times squared 5 going on here, and squared 9 is 3, squared 4 is 2. Now do not just write like that. You must write the times symbol between them, or you can put them in bracket because it's not 32, it's 3 times 2 times squared 5, and 3 times 2 is 6, so 6 squared 5, that is squared 180. Okay, so we rewrite this as 6 squared 5 minus 2 squared 5, and we have 5 squared 5 minus 5 here. Now 6 squared 5 take away 2 squared 5, they're like terms, so you can actually subtract them, so you're left with 4 squared 5 here. So 5 squared 5 minus 5, you must multiply the above and below expression by 5 squared 5 plus 5. Okay, and then we just expand the brackets, so we should get 20 times 5. So when you do 4 squared 5 times 5 squared 5, the square gets you can automatically get rid of it, and 4 squared 5 times 5 is going to be 20 squared 5. And at the bottom here we have 1 2 5, because you have 25 times 5. Why is it okay? Let me actually explain. So 5 squared 5 times 5 squared 5 will be, so 5 times 5 is 25, and the squared 5 times squared 5, that is going to be 25 times 5, because the squared 5 times squared 5 is just 5. So, and 25 times 5 is 125. Okay, all right, so we have that, and then we will have minus 25. Okay, I did double brackets, but you have a minus 25 squared 5 plus 25 squared 5, they get cancelled out, so that's why I didn't write them down. So we have 100 plus 20 squared 5, and we have 100 below. So you can rewrite this, you can split the fraction. No, actually before you split the fraction, you can take out the common factor. So 20 times 5 squared 5, and you have 100. Now 20 goes into 20 once, 20 goes into 100 5 times, so you have 5 squared 5 over 5, and you can split the fraction, so you will get 5 divided by 5 plus square root 5 over 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1 plus square root 5 over 5. So the A is 1 and the B is 5. All right.